What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I want to show you my muffin top. Oh, we love muffin tops. Here in the Midwest, I like my women with a little muffin top. I like a little meat on the bones. And when I say meat, I mean like a set of 8-ounce fillets in a backpack when they come over. That's what I'm talking about. Hey, this Sterling Foods, I should say it like this, Sterling Foods MRE side is actually a chocolate banana nut muffin top right there. No shame in advertising it. If you eat a bunch of these things, because it has 290 calories, you just might get a muffin top. So if you're working on your muffin top, I would suggest doing it. Now, I do like bananas, chocolate, and I love desserts, so I thought I'd check this out. What do we have? Oh, look at that. Oh, and the little oxygen absorber. I smell it already. Comes out looking like a cookie. Does kind of look like a muffin top. That's so funny. Actually, I guess it's just like a shallot muffin. They certainly don't slice off the tops, because then I'd have to call in Newman to get rid of them all. But that's what it looks like. It does look like a muffin top. I'm impressed by that. I thought it was just kind of like a play on the fact that everyone loves muffin tops. They're the most delicious part of the muffin, but they really did a good job of making it look like it. I feel like this could be a consumer product. You can see it on the shelves of your grocery store or something. Okay, so enough of that. We can see here, I don't know if that is supposed to be the banana stuff or nut stuff. If I break it open here, oh, I can see nuts in there. There's some nuts. Walnuts, I'm assuming. And you can see just a little bit of firm crust-like outside, and looks pretty crumbly and soft on the inside. There's only one way to find out. Oh man, tastes like a muffin top. A little dry, but sweet. Actually, that bite I got there had a big hit of banana in it. Really strong banana, which is great. I love it. But it's got a nice, kind of dry but not overly decadent chocolate taste. I tell you what, this could accompany any number of MRE meals, in my opinion. You're starting out the day, eating something for breakfast, warm this sucker up. It's kind of like having your morning muffin. But it's so sweet, chocolatey, and tasty that this would be a perfect dessert to round out your day after firing up a MRE meal. Dessert, breakfast, I don't know. I'm going to keep eating this, though, for research to see if I can come up with any other ideas. Hey, if you want to pick this up, I ordered a handful for my next trip. I'll put a link to them in the description. Peter Von Panda, out.